Let me sip this another dice on you. Show you how I feel. Let me take it off. If you watch me, best recipe.
It's driving me out of my mind. That's why it's hard for me to find. Can't get out of my head. Mr. Kisser Lover. Do you remember the time when we fell in love? Do you remember the time we first?
I'ma go in a mother second. Go in a mother second. You're so sweet that you got me feeling away. Look at this mess that we made, so sticky, but I can't keep away from you, man. All day, oh, you come to, I would gladly give it all up for you, boy. I ain't, okay, one more time. Wavy, 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 I'm wavy, 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 yeah, wavy, 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 oh, baby, 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 oh, baby, baby, so sweet, you're so sweet, that you got me feeling away. Look at this mess that we made, so sticky, but I can't keep away from you, man. All day, you're who I come to. I would gladly give it all up for you, boy. Please don't tempt me. I'm begging, I need the deja vu. Yeah, baby, we'll need a day or two. I'm not playing no games. Imagine floating away with me, boy. You're all I need, 'cause you're wavy, 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 yeah, you're wavy, 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 You're so wavy, you're so wavy, you're so wavy, baby, you're so wavy, you're so wavy, baby, wavy, oh yeah, baby, oh you so wavy, oh yeah, baby,
Meet me outside right quick. I'm tired of your shit. This ain't what I thought it would be. How could you make it what it should be? I know what you're capable of. You don't know what I'm capable of. Yes, you underestimate me. So I'll show you when you will see. I'm still up, I'm the light, I'm the link in your cup. I'm the bass, I'm the sound, I'm the shit, I'm the pep in your step, I'm the teal in your eye.
For lashes, I'm going to be wearing the Pure Pro 3D Silk eyelashes and eyelash glue kit. I love these two lashes. Today I'm going to be wearing the Bombshell ones. I love this eyelash because it's beautiful for this look, and I wanted to thank Pure for gifting me this item. Absolutely love the quality of them, and you can wear them for up to, I think, 20 times, so that's even better.
It ain't your fault you're like this. It ain't your fault, no. I hear you say this ain't the life for you. You're so sure of it, but I'll be your candy kiss. Candy kiss. This is what I'm supposed to do. Hey, what can I do to convince you? Convince you. Give you a love that's perfect for you. For you. But fairy tales don't exist. No, 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 they don't. Darling, embrace it. You know what to do. I'm still up. I'm the light. I'm the lick in your cup. I'm the bass. I'm the sound. I'm the shit. I'm the shit. I'm the pale in your step. I'm the teal in your eye. I'm the hope. I am war. I am love. He said I never felt nothing like this. You want to show me? He said I've
For blush, I'm using the Morphe 8W Warm Master Blush Palette, and these are 8 beautiful shades. Today I'm going to be using the shade Witty, which is almost like a rose gold kind of color, which is perfect for this look. I love the quality of these blushes. It goes on smooth like butter, and it's just perfect for this look. I want to thank Morphe for gifting me this item. It looks so beautiful. I love it.
I see that you dislike me, but I'm the answer to what you're facing currently. So violently, just hold on to me. Hold on to me continuously. I'll always be the right to your wrong. Don't you forget that. L-O-V-E, me. Don't take your eyes off it. Watch it, baby. If you like, we can do it, baby.
I just want somebody, treat me like somebody, won't be like everybody, All you gotta do is love me for me, babe.
Boy, it's only you. Have it your way. And if you want, you can decide.